Hi friend, today I present here multiple choice questions of economic geography. It is the set 1 which will be help to you in the NET, SET, MA, MAC as well as preparation of competitive examinations. Let's start with the first questions. Mineral fields are found in one of the following types of rocks. The options are sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic, intensive igneous. And the minerals mostly found in the types of rock, that rock is sedimentary. Answer is sedimentary. Then second question, one of the following is a primary industry. Options are lumbering industry, paper industry, sugar industry, rubber industry. And the answer is lumbering. Lumbering industry is a primary industry. Then next question, which one of the following economic activities belong to the tertiary sector of the economy? And the options are mining, retail marketing, lumbering, horticulture. And the answer is retail marketing. It is belong to the tertiary sector of the economy. Then next question, which one of the following countries has the largest reserve of petroleum? Options are Iran, USA, Iraq, Russia, and the answer is Iran. Iran has the largest reserve of petroleum. Then next question, a new approach to the functional classification. This approach was a pioneer to work of. Options are Weaver, Rafiullah, Weaver and Rafiullah Doi. The answer is Rafiullah. The approach was a pioneer to work of Rafiullah. Then next question, law of transferability indicates one of the following. What is indicate? The options are manufactured goods are transported from the temperate to tropical countries. B. Raw materials are transported from the tropical areas to the temperate areas. C. Transferability decreases as economic distance increases. And option D. Movement of goods shall always take place irrespective of the economic distance. And the answer is law of transferability indicates option is C. Transferability decreases as economic distance increases. Then next question, Weber's locational triangle concept in relation to the industry has been criticized on one of the following grounds. The options A, it is too simple a formation. B, it is not applicable in modern times. C, freight rates are not directly proportional to distance. D, workers are not fixed in specific places. And the correct answer is C, freight rates are not directly proportional to distance. Then next question, the concept of locational triangle has been written by. The options are Alfred Weber, August Lodge, W. Crystal, John Weaver. And the concept of locational triangle has been written by. The answer is August Lodge. Then next question, which of the following social measures cannot be taken as a measure of economic development? Which is cannot be taken as a measure of economic development? The options are social security, teacher pupil ratio, literacy rate, crime rate. And the answer is crime rate. The measures cannot be taken as a measures of economic development. Then next question, aquaculture is an important economic activity in Japan. This activity falls in the category of. Options are quaternary, tertiary, primary, secondary, and this aquaculture activity, it is categorized in the primary. The answer is primary. Then next question, arrange the following Rostovian stages in order of their economic development. And options are: first, takeoff stages; second, precondition for takeoff; third, traditional society; fourth, age of high mass consumption. And the proper answer of these questions, that is the set 1. The proper sequence, that is the 3 2 1 4, means firstly traditional society, second precondition for takeoff, third one is takeoff stage, and fourth one is the age of high mass consumption. Then next question, minerals is a, options are perennial resource, replenishable resource, non replenishable resource, fourth, unexploited resource. And the answer is mineral is a non-replenishable resource. Then next question, the most important means of economic development in a region is, options are man, soil, mineral resources, oil resources. And the option is man. The most important means of economic development in a region is man. And the next question, mark the country which is one of the most economically developed despite its own scarce minerals resources. And the options are China, Japan, India, Canada. And the answer is Japan. Then next question, the highest world production and future reserve of mineral oil are found in, options are USA, UAE, OPEC, Russia. The answer is OPEC. The highest production, future reserve of the mineral oil are found in OPEC. Then next question, most of the world's coal deposits are, options are peat, bituminous, lignite, anthracite. The answer is bituminous. It is the most of the world coal deposits are found. Bituminous. Answer is bituminous. Then next question, the highest coal producer in the world is, options are USA, China, Russia, Australia. The China has the highest coal producer in the world. It is the answer. Then next question, the country whose economy is entirely dependent on the production of petroleum is, and the options are Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Venezuela. And the answer is Kuwait. Kuwait has the economy entirely dependent upon the production of the petroleum. Then next question, the large producer in oil in Africa is, the options are Algeria, Morocco, Tunisia, Nigeria. And the answer is Nigeria has the larger producer in oil in Africa. Then last question, which of the following is a quaternary activity? Options are whaling, banking, teaching, horticulture. And the answer is teaching. Teaching is the quaternary activity. Thank you.